Good morning, TPM community. Brian Quinn, Managing Director here. I wanted to speak with you immediately following the Prime Minister's announcement last night. To be crystal clear, I want you to know that we will not be asking our staff or you, our students, to attend TPM Centre again until we can be 100% assured that it's safe for you and our staff to do so, including travelling to and from the centre. Based on Mr Johnson's outline of his plan, more detail this week we hear, I anticipate this is going to be sometime later in the summer for us. So, at the beginning of this stay home, I set the team at TPM a challenge to ensure that every one of our learners came out of this on or ahead of their off-the-job learning targets. And I'm delighted to be able to say that you, your teachers and your trainers have risen to this challenge tremendously. We've still got stay-at-home restrictions and I see no reason why we can't smash this challenge together over the next month or so. Here is just a couple of reasons why I believe this with all of my heart. Firstly, your learning achievements. I've heard lots and we've published lots of success stories over the last month or so. We've been celebrating this learning and your achievements and the unique special talents and qualities that you've drawn upon to do this, including some amazing motivational reasons why. Since my last vlog update and our newsletter, there have been many more. So here's a few, and I want to shout out congratulations today to Emmy Winterson from Headrush Hairdressing. You've completed your intermediate apprenticeship, and I'm particularly impressed, Emmy, that you didn't just stop at the end of that, which would have been so easy to do after a long qualification. But following impressive lead and advice from your teacher, you and a group of your peers in the hairdressing programme have undertaken a CPD course with Barbicide. Constructed particularly around salon health and safety and sanitising professional tools to optimise infection control, these are the skills and behaviours of true professionals. And your application of these will be essential to employers who are going to be resuming services for clients very soon. We're all desperate for their next haircut, aren't we? I'm immensely proud of you, your teacher Helen Carroll, and of your peers Caitlin Brown, Eva Carroll, Abby Hill and Holly Christopherson on your achievements. Well done. Secondly, I'm confident about your teaching, learning and support systems. TPM Online, OneFile, Skills Forward and our Zoom calls, all secure places and learning platforms for you. We're working actively and urgently to seek enhancements, looking at potential improvements to remote teaching, content and the method of delivery. I'll be sending you a survey this week and I'd really like to get your feedback and input, so please complete that if you can. Our team are tracking daily and weekly. They're providing updates on contact with you and your expected attendance to sessions and your relative progress within that. I'm very impressed at the success of the planned sessions to date. It's exceptionally high. Louise Hazley, our Learning Support Coordinator, is remotely visiting our learners, those who require support or assistance, and she's doing this weekly and liaising with you on your occupational teachers on your specific needs and requirement. And Louise is also supporting learning, access to functional skills resource and access to assistive and learning hardware and technology. And thirdly, because of the other agencies that are working with TPM right now, providing a total wraparound service to ensure that you all don't fall behind. Lynn Hankinson continues to provide us with great support for our mental health by means of memorable and effective gems for our mental health toolbox. And I hope you're using and enjoying them as much as I am. And thank you, Lynn. Helen Webster, she's putting us through our physical exercise paces several times a week. And again, she's providing us with an effective and flexible physical health regimen. Lynn and Helen's sessions are on our website and the links to the YouTube channel are there for you to use anywhere and anytime that you want to. Thanks also for the positive feedback that you've left them after each of those sessions. We really appreciate that. In terms of getting ready for return, Alexander Warner, Director at LCS Hub Health and Safety, is our consultant on the guidance that the government says it's working on for employers to make workplaces COVID secure and as such safe places to return to. We're immensely grateful to the three of you and what you're doing to help our community. Of course, we're very grateful to all of the people that usually support TPM's operation and what you've done in this remote challenge. The governors, Scribe Associates who help us with our web media presence and keep everything updated, MICT, Baltic Broadband and National Telecoms for our IT and remote communications and flexibilities. Thank you all so much. We appreciate the efforts of our colleagues in the Department for Education, ESFA, Ofqual, CASH, VTCT, BIAB for developing the flexibilities and arrangements to ensure that we have what we need to do what we do best by remote means. Remember, we continue to update our coronavirus information pages on our website. And if you need us, we're available in all of the usual ways every day. Keep progressing. Don't give up. Stay safe and well. We'll be in touch. Take care.